mzima wamepoteza kiongozi.
Ikine matuo mar Ebola medokela chied nade pinje mag Afrika kamotingo DRC kod Uganda. Riwruok mar MSF ochako yanga chenro mar puonjo jochiw thieth e pinje matuo no goe tach. Kachiw puonj makamano ma en mar ariyo e piny mangima gi mano manie boma ma Brussels mar piny Belgium oger machal kamano ma itiyo godo e thiedho tuo mar Ebola. Kachiw puonj no ma ogere kar dak ma Rongai, kaunti ma Kajiado, ibiro tiyo go mar chiw puonj ne lakteche mabiro konyo e chenro mag tayo tuo no mar Ebola.
With the priority of the MSF, people from MSF, so that they can be deployed to go and respond. But later on, we'll expand the training to the MOH staff and to other international organizations. So for now, the target is to train 25 participants twice a week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every week, until we're able to have good coverage. So we are heading to the donning. You know that protection, wearing protective gear is important for that. We have both in French and English to capture all the participants.
There will be a mix of people who also in the past attended in the Ebola response. They might also come for the refresher training. Also, there will be a mix of people who will be never been there. They will get the training and then will be deployed. So this particular facility, as we said, is a dry run, and there is no patients involved. There is no isolation involved. There is no test of the suspected cases involved. So this doesn't pose any threat to.